I love to Michelle, but I have to iron all the shirts for Tim.
Look, why don't you go with Michelle?
Oh, Helen, that's so kind of you.
But don't you want to go to the cinema too?
Yes, I need to study. I will do the church for the landlord about keeping the cat and then I will hit the books.
Oh, that.
Bye!
Bye! Oh, cat, what could I do? Decimate for each author.
So how was the cinema for you?
How many times do I have to say this, that, next a day?
Oh, oh, easy tiger. Hey, this past the smile on your face. Get you out, landlord's gift.
How should I know? Let me give the money to Helen and she away send all the checks.
Go on, guess.
Tom Cruise.
The man in the moon.
No idea.
Is Terran Death.
Helen's. That's no way. Why would he keep? That's a secret.
I'm just putting the custard on. Anyone fancy a kappa?
Can I help you, madam?
I'm looking for a reward.
Well, we have a some two solution here. Sport, evening, everyday, watches. Do you see anything you like?
Oh, I never liked that one.
Impeccable. Yes, madam. Yeah, just take it over to the cashier there and they will wrap it up for you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, madam. You have dropped something, madam. Madam, oh, she is gone. Let's see. 15, 100, 115 pounds. Well, you know what they sent him a fool and her money.
Oh, Wanda. I'm so miserable. Alice doesn't want to go out with me.
Oh, sorry, Michelle. Am I interrupting something here?
No, no. I'm just pouring my heart out to Wanda.
Oh, yes. I found out that Alice gave you enough bag. But it's not the end of the world. There are plenty more fish in the sea, you know.
Fish. I don't was a fish. I was a death.
Well, there is someone right in the front of you.
You are away to busy studying. You wouldn't go out with a guy like me.
Oh, wouldn't I? Why don't you ask?
Would you?
I would